You just discovered Angry Birds today?
Yeah, that's it. The first time I ever played.
Whoo!
I got 5,000 points. I gotta get the other little dude. See if he quit laughing.
Only like 700 million people downloaded that damn game so far.
I'm fixing to get you, buddy. There's 3 of you right here. 60 million people?
No, 700 million probably. Last I checked, there were 500 million people downloaded that game.
Well, I'm the first one ever. I had never played this stupid game.
Shit.
I don't even know how. Well, just got my phone. Whew! I got him.
You got him there?
Got it.
Yeah.
10,000 points.
How many?
10,000.
You're gonna be at work playing Angry Birds now, you know?
Yeah, I can play it in the burger. Woo! 5,000 right there. Hit him right bullseye.
On the bullseye there?
Yeah.
What level you on?
I don't know, man. Ooh, let's see, man. It just bounced right off. Damn. Didn't hit him high enough, big boy.
Damn it, Dan. Get him.
Level fail. Level fail.
That means you gotta do it over again. That means you sucked. No good.
No good. Ooh! 5,000 points. 2,000. 10,000 points right there.
Okay.
Got 2 of them. Okay, here goes another one. Here. Oh! There's another 10. 5.
Got it, Dan?
I got it. Got one
Okay,
more.
good.
Oh, man. I got one more on top, man.
Get him. Better get him, Dad. Get him.
Holy camole. Didn't make it across.
Damn it. Did you get him? How many more men you got left?
I don't know. That one just took off. That's it.
Level failed. I mean, you suck again.
I didn't get the last one.
First time Angry Birds.
Oh, whoa. Okay, I got 2. What do you have? YouTube?
I put you on YouTube, Dan, on my YouTube channel.
Man.
Aljrka.
Big Daddy playing the Big Bird.
Angry Birds. Oh! God. Over here waiting at Dallas Love Field.
Waiting for the babies.
For the babies. We're here at the Burger King. Can't get no Whoppers. It's Thanksgiving.
Ooh! God, you got it, man.
You get him, Dad?
I got him except for one. That one
man.
is on this
There goes
side.
What was that dude again?
You must be looking for something.
Look for some.
What the hell?
For the Yakuza.